Assalamu alaikum, student of class 4. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is Ms. Samira Zedi, your computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. And today we will continue the chapter 8, that is more on multimedia. We start the chapter 8 more on multimedia in my last Zoom session, and I was explaining you about a multimedia presentation and also give you the question that what is the main purpose of multimedia program, and also write create a web to show the elements of multimedia, which includes text, images, sound, animation and video. I can explain all these elements of multimedia. Also, I tell you that we are using a Microsoft PowerPoint software is being used to create a multimedia presentation. Okay, today I'm going to explain you about the template. A template is a pre-formatted slide layout that help us to make slide with same design. We use templates to make PowerPoint presentation. We can find many templates from the themes group on the design tab. We can also download many presentation templates from the internet. To insert the template, we just click on the design tab and then click on the available template, then choose available template from the design tab. Okay, then the template is being inserted in our presentation. We are using different slides layout in which we can write our text and enter the pictures over here. Okay, to insert the new slide layout, we click on the arrow next to the new slide on the home tab. Okay, the drop down menus give us option for different layouts. We can choose any one of the available layout. Okay, and as I can choose over here the title and the content layout, in which I can write the title on the top and the content in the middle. And then our new slide is being inserted in the presentation, same as we can insert more slide. Okay, to format an existing slide, that if we want to change the layout of the slide that we already been inserted in our presentation, then we right click anywhere on the slide. A menu with layout option appears. We can choose a layout by clicking on it, and the layout of this existing slide is being changed. I hope you can understand the today's topic that I will discuss about the templates, slide and slide layout. Now you have to do this exercise that is on page number 64, that which of the following templates would you use to create a presentation for. You can write the answer in the blanks. Either you can write A, B or C according to the given objectives, that teaching a class about different plants, describing the advantage of the internet, displaying the photographs of a family vacation. Which template you are used for these objectives, you can write the answers in the given blanks. Okay, you also have to do these questions in your exercise books. Question number 1 and 2 of this chapter we already have done. So the question number 3 is, what is a template? You can write the definition of the template. Question number 4, make a flowchart that shows the steps to insert a new slide. Okay, in this answer you have to make a proper flowchart of about 4 steps. Okay, and write the answers in these. I hope you can understand the today's topic and the assignment. If you still have any question, then ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.